Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making an upside down pineapple cake. The ingredients I will be using: pineapple cake mix. I use a fresh pineapple, cherries, dark brown sugar, and you will need 2 sticks of melted butter. Okay, we're going to place the butter down. And I use 2 sticks because of the pan size. So if you don't have a pan this size, you can use 1 stick. Okay. Even it out like so. Then you want to put in your brown sugar. Like this. Okay, and I only use like a half a pack of the brown sugar. And I just want to make sure to get the butter all in there. Brown sugar real good like so. Okay, and now you want to place your pineapples on top of the brown sugar. Okay. Okay, and then you want to place the cherries in the center of the pineapple. And you can use canned pineapples as well. And if you can't find the pineapple cake mix, you can use yellow cake mix. Just add a little of the pineapple juice from the fresh pineapples or the can to the cake mix. Okay, I like extra cherries in mine, so that's why I placed it, outside of the center of the pineapple. But you could just keep it in the center if you choose to. And if your pineapple break up, like mine did, you can still use them just, in halves. Just line them up and still put the cherries like in the middle as neatly as you can. Okay, and then you want to pour the batter on top. And you can find the ingredients you need for the batter on the back of the cake mix. You want to pour it slow so that the cherries won't come up. Okay, now you want to place it in a 350-degree oven. And I say let it cook about 30 minutes, then check it. Okay, it took 40 minutes to get done. And let it cool for about 20 minutes before you cut it. Like so. Lift it. Then you flip it over. And there's your upside down pineapple cake. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.